50年代に作られた冷蔵庫を大掃除することにしたこの男性。
This is my 1950s General Electric refrigerator with the Lazy Susan drawers. Working a little too well. The freezers froze up, and I've never defrosted it ever since it's been running. But this right here was starting to get frozen. Fortunately, when I got the fridge, it came with this. One of the first pages, how to remove frost. And I got instructions that told me to just put some hot water in the freezer, and it will start to melt it. Oh, this went pretty smoothly, actually, I would say. My ice cube trays. Let's see if this still works. Oh yeah, look at all the room in there now.